What happens if you plank every day for 1 minute? Bodyweight exercises are making a huge splash in the fitness world, and for good reason. They're simple, practical, and effective, perfect for those who can't always hit the gym but still want to stay in shape. One exercise that has stood the test of time is the plank. It's ideal for people with hectic schedules who can barely spare a moment, yet still want to work on their fitness using only their body weight. But here's the big question. What really happens when you plank every day, even just for 1 minute? Stick around, you'll be amazed by what just 60 seconds a day can do for you. 1. It significantly reduces the risk of back and spinal injuries. Let's talk about your back. We all know how easy it is to injure your back while working out. The pain, the struggle, it can be overwhelming. But with planking, you'll actually be strengthening your back muscles without putting unnecessary pressure on your spine or hips. The result? Less pain, better posture, and an overall feeling of strength. It's not just about looking good, it's about feeling good. Imagine walking around with that, "I feel strong," confidence every day. 2. It defines your abs. We all want that toned, defined core, right? Well, planks are your best friend here. Unlike crunches, which only target a few muscles, planks work your entire core, your abs, obliques, and even your lower back. The beauty of this exercise is that the stronger you get, the better you'll perform in other exercises, like squats and deadlifts. And ladies, don't forget, planks also work wonders on your glutes, giving you that lifted, toned look. Your body is going to thank you. 3. It boosts your overall metabolism. Who doesn't want a faster metabolism? Think about it. Planking engages multiple muscles at once, which means you're burning more calories in less time compared to regular abdominal exercises like crunches. And it gets better. The more muscle you build, the more calories you'll burn at rest. That's right. Planking gives you a metabolism boost that keeps working for you long after you finish your 60 seconds. How cool is that? 4. It enhances your overall balance. Have you ever tried to stand on one leg and felt like you were about to tip over? Or maybe you lost your balance while walking and felt totally awkward? Planking can fix that. By strengthening your core, planks help you improve your balance, which makes you feel more stable and confident in everything you do. Whether you're walking into a room, running, or even doing yoga, planking makes sure you're solid, both physically and mentally. 5. It benefits you mentally. Let's not forget the mental benefits of planking. Did you know that planks can help reduce stress and improve your mood? After a long day of sitting or standing, your muscles can tighten, and tension builds up. It can leave you feeling stressed, drained, and even anxious. But planking releases that tension, helps you calm your mind, and boosts your mood. Imagine having the mental clarity and peace that comes from just 60 seconds of planking. It's like hitting the reset button for your mind and body. So, are you ready to start planking every day? Trust me, just 1 minute a day can make a huge difference in how you look and feel. Get started now, and come back in a month to share your progress with us. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. We'd love to hear how planking is changing your life. And for more fitness tips and mind-blowing facts about the human body, be sure to hit that subscribe button.